Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most unique and fascinating dishes in South African cuisine. Inhloko, or cow head meat. It's more than just food. Inhloko is a dish that carries history, culture and community in every bite. Let's explore how it's made, why it's special, and the traditions behind it. Inhloko simply means head in isiZulu, and in this case, it refers to the head of a cow. Unlike regular cuts of beef, inhloko is a delicacy enjoyed especially in rural villages and townships. Preparing it is no small task. The head is usually fire roasted or boiled for hours until the meat becomes soft, juicy, and rich in flavor. The cheeks, tongue, and brain are considered the tastiest part. In Zulu culture, nothing from the cow goes to waste. It's a sign of respect and resourcefulness. Traditionally, cows are central to ceremonies like weddings, and there is umgaqo, coming of age rituals, and even funerals. While some parts are reserved for elders or specific family members, inhloko is often shared to bring people together. It's not just meat, it's a symbol of honor and respect for the animal and for the people gathered. Inhloko is usually served hot, straight after cooking. Some prefer it with salt, chili, or seasoning, but many eat it plain to enjoy the pure taste of meat. In townships, it's become popular as street food. You'll often see groups of people gathered around, sharing inhloko with bare hands, laughing, and telling stories. Today, inhloko is not only found in villages, it's also served in township restaurants, street food markets, and even high-end cultural dining spots. Chefs are finding creative ways to prepare and present it, but the spirit remains the same. Food that brings people together. Inhloko is more than just cowhead meat. It's a dish of resilience, community, and tradition. Every bite carries the story of the Zulu people, of respect for the cow, and of togetherness. Would you like to try it? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me as we continue exploring the rich flavors of Zulu culture. Nisale kahle, ngiyabonga.